Hi, I'm Roxanne DePaul, a speech-language pathologist with Ford Healthcare Therapy and Sports Center. Today I'm going to talk about vocal cord dysfunction or exercise-induced laryngeal obstruction. Vocal cord dysfunction, or VCD, presents as shortness of breath and may be misdiagnosed as asthma. Induced laryngeal obstruction may be triggered by intense exercise. During normal breathing, the vocal cords are open wide for maximal airflow. But during VCD, the anterior portions of the vocal cords are closed, while there is a small opening on the posterior portion of the vocal cords. This closure creates a sensation of reduced airflow, and this configuration may produce a noise or stridor as air flows through the small opening. This shortness of breath often results in the misdiagnosis of asthma. The athletic trainer may be the first person to recognize the problem, but it's the speech-language pathologist who treats it. How do we treat VCD? There's acute treatment and then ongoing, longer-term treatment. First, there will be a thorough assessment, including a very detailed questionnaire that can help pinpoint the exact nature of the problem. Acute treatment, for example, might entail a strategy like the sniff technique, where an individual is able to do rapid inhalations, keep the air flow moving rapidly. And for long-term treatment, we'd focus on breathing patterns and whole-body relaxation techniques. But the differences are important for the correct diagnosis. For example, you might ask, when does the sound occur? If on inhalation, that indicates VCD. Where is the location of the tightness? If it's at the level of the throat, it's probably VCD. When do the symptoms peak? If the symptoms peak at the start of exercise with recovery within 5 minutes after exercise, it's most likely VCD. Another question might be, if you have an inhaler, does the inhaler help? If it does, it's probably asthma and not VCD. If you'd like more information about vocal cord dysfunction or exercise-induced laryngeal obstruction, please contact Ford Healthcare Therapy and Sports Center.
Ford Healthcare.
For health.